Taking care of your hair is my number one rule after you got a haircut from me or a color. Welcome to my salon. Today, I will show you some products that you yourself can use to get that expert level care. I have experienced everyday questions about what's the best shampoo, what's the best conditioner, and normally, most of my clients would definitely choose the wrong products. I normally recommend the right products that you can bring to your homes. With the help of science, we can now take better care of our hair even if our busy schedule wouldn't allow us to visit the salon. One of my personal favorites is the TRESemmé Keratin Smooth. It has the keratin protein complex and is a favorite of many hair care professionals like me. So why 10? You may ask. It provides 10 salon benefits, including giving soft and shiny hair. It smoothens and detangles. It reduces frizz while protecting against humidity. It helps strengthen hair and tame flyaways. It also helps protect against heat while providing long-lasting radiance. Get TRESemmé's best ever professional keratin system right at your home with Keratin Smooth. For girls who like to color their hair, we have the Blonde Brilliance that has the anti-brass purple formula. You know those unwanted warm tones that appears when you color your hair? That's brassiness. We don't want that. This product can help you extend the vibrance of your hair color while protecting against damage. Worry less for your hair color's vibrance with the Blonde Brilliance. These are the products that help me achieve remarkable results. Get these items for professional-looking hair transformations even at your own home.